I will just look quickly, Mama will not see. Mama? Mama, where are you? Sarah! Sarah, come here, please! Excuse me, did you see a little girl about this tall? Sorry, I did not see her.
Mama, this mall is so big.
Yes, it is big. Stay close to me, okay? Do not run off.
I will not run, I promise.
Good, let us find something nice today.
Mama, look, those toys are so pretty.
Sarah, your face is on the glass. Come on.
But Mama, they are pink, my favorite color.
We are just looking today. Come. Oh, wait. Look at that dress. Let me just check the price.
Okay, Mama, I will wait here.
Stay right there. I will be 1 minute. Ooh, what is that? It is so shiny. I will just look quickly, Mama will not see. So pretty, it is like stars. Oh, I like this one. Mama will love this too. Sarah, I am done now. Sarah? Sarah, where are you? Sarah! Sarah, come here, please! Excuse me, did you see a little girl about this tall? Sorry, I did not see her.
Mama? I am coming back now. Mama? Mama, where are you?
This way, I think it was this way. No, maybe that way. I do not know where Mama is. Mama, I want my Mama. I should not have walked away. I am sorry, Mama, please find me.
This mall is huge, I love it. Ethan, you look like a lost puppy. I am not lost, I am just looking at everything at the same time.
Both of you stay close, this place is big. Okay, 3 rules. Number 1, stay where I can see you.
Okay?
Number 2, do not touch things unless we are buying.
Okay.
Number 3, if you get lost, go straight to a security guard.
We know, Mama, we are not babies.
You are my babies, now let us go. I need new curtains, and Lily, you need new school shoes.
Can I choose them myself?
You can choose between 2 options that I approve. That is not really choosing. That is called mom choosing. No way, look at that robot. Lily, that robot has real moving arms. Ethan, come on. Ethan. Ethan, we are not here for toys today.
But Mama, that robot.
We'll still be there another day.
What if someone buys it?
Then it will be gone forever. Sad. Lily, not helping. Ethan, does this look nice? You look the same as before. That is not helpful at all. You asked me, I answered. I am getting it. Who is that girl? Why is she sitting alone and crying? Let me ask her. Hello? Are you okay? Hey, why are you crying?
I lost my Mama in mall. Her name is Emma.
Okay, when did you lose her?
I saw something shiny and I walked to it. And then Mama was gone.
It is okay, that can happen to anyone. I should not have walked away. We will find her, I promise. My name is Lily. What is your name?
Sara.
Sara, that is a nice name. Okay, Sara, here is what we will do.
What?
We will go to the security guard together. They can call your Mama on the speaker.
Will she hear it?
The whole mall will hear it. My Mama is just here. She will help us.
Is your Mama nice?
She is very nice. A little loud sometimes, but very nice. Who is she? This is Sara. She lost her Mama. We are helping her. Okay, I am Ethan. Do not worry, Sara. We are good at this. Lily, who is she?
Mama, this is Sara. She lost her mother in the mall.
Oh, sweetheart, are you okay?
I am trying to be brave.
You are doing very well. Do not worry. We will help you. Do you remember which shop you were near when you lost her?
A clothes shop. She was checking a price tag. The security desk is near the main entrance. I saw it when we came in.
Good, you were paying attention.
Hello there. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. This little girl is lost. She got separated from her mother.
Attention please, this is a message for a lady named Emma. Your daughter Sarah is safe and waiting at the main security desk near the entrance. Please come here.
Someone lost a child.
Poor thing.
Can she really hear that? Everyone in the whole mall can hear that. Even the people in the food court.
That is me. Sara, she is safe. Main security desk. Main security desk. Sara is okay. She is okay. She is okay. Their main entrance. Almost there.
What if she does not hear it? She heard it. Everyone heard it. What if she went home already? It's not possible.
Look, Sara, your mom is coming.
Sara! Mama!
I was so scared. Are you okay? Are you hurt?
I'm okay, Mom. I am not hurt. I was just scared.
Thank you, Lily. You took care of my daughter.
Thank you. She was brave.
Lily is incredible. She found Sara and stayed with her. She has a good heart. You raised her well. We try our best. Thank you for helping. It's okay. This is our responsibility. Thank you so much. Next time you see something shiny in a mall, do not walk toward it.
I will try.
Actually, just hold your mama's hand the whole time.
I will, I promise. Lily, will I see you again? Maybe this is a big mall. I hope I see you again, but not because I am lost.
You did a good thing today, Lily.
She was just sitting there alone. I could not walk past.
That is exactly the right thing to feel.
I help too. You are half asleep, Ethan. I can be half asleep and still be right.
Both of you did well. Now rest. If you ever get lost in a mall, stay calm and go straight to the security desk. They'll help you find your parents.
Finally, I can eat them peacefully. This tastes very good at home. Best day ever.
This is so yummy! Yeah, more candy! Candy attack! Ow, it hurts!
Wow, a new Candyland theme park? Let me check where it is. Mom, Dad, can I show you something?
Of course, Lily. What is it?
Look, a new Candyland theme park just opened. It's not even that far from here.
Candyland? That sounds interesting.
Can we go there today? Please. It looks so fun.
Candyland means a lot of sweets, Lily.
I know, but we'll be careful. I just want to see it.
Well, it is Sunday. We don't have any plans today.
All right, but only if you promise not to eat too many candies.
I promise. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
All right then, finish your breakfast. We'll leave soon.
Yay! This is going to be the best day ever!
Come on, Lily, we are getting late.
I'm coming, Dad. I can't believe we're actually going. I've been waiting for this.
Relax, we'll be there soon.
Just remember, Lily, don't eat too many sweets, okay?
I know, Mom. I promise. I'm going to eat more candy than you. No way. I'm going to try everything first.
All right. Just don't turn the car into a candy competition.
This is going to be a fun day.
The best day ever.
Wow, it's even bigger than I imagined.
Look at that giant chocolate fountain. It really does look magical.
All right, let's get the tickets first.
Come on, Dad, hurry!
I'm going. Hello? 4 tickets, please.
Sure, that will be 4 tickets for Candyland. Stay close, don't wander off.
All right, everyone ready?
Yes! Let's go inside.
Let's make it a fun day, but remember, not too many sweets.
I remember, Mom. Wow, everything is made of candy. Look, chocolate trees and gummy bears everywhere. This is amazing. I want to try everything. Me too. Can we get some chocolates?
Of course, you can, but not too much, okay?
And remember, no overeating.
Okay, Mom, I'll be careful. Let's go. I want those chocolates first.
All right, lead the way.
Stay together, kids. This is so good. These gummies are the best. Try this one. I want to try everything.
Okay, kids, that's enough sweets for now.
You've already had plenty.
Just one more, please. Yeah, just one more.
No, that's enough. Too much sugar isn't good for you.
We can eat more later. Yeah, we still have time. Mom, can we take some chocolates home?
Just a small pack each.
Yay, thank you.
All right, kids, it's time to go home now.
Aw, already?
But we didn't even finish exploring. I know, but it's getting late. We should leave now.
Come on, let's head out. We don't want to get too late.
Okay.
Good, let's go.
Let me put all these candies. I don't want to be caught. What are you hiding in your hat? Shh, don't tell anyone. We will eat them at night.
Where did you two go?
Nowhere, just looking around.
Yeah, just walking. All right then, let's go before it gets dark.
Finally, I can eat them peacefully. This tastes very good at home. Best day ever. This is so yummy!
Yeah, more candy.
Candy attack! Ow, it hurts! Ow, what is this? My tooth, it hurts. Mom!
What happened, Lily?
Mom, my tooth really hurts.
Your tooth?
Yes, it started hurting when I woke up.
What happened, Lily?
She woke up with a strong toothache. She says it really hurts.
Your tooth is hurting?
Yes, it hurts a lot, Dad. Lily, what did you eat last night? Did you have anything sweet before sleeping?
Let's not talk about that right now. First, we need to take her to the dentist.
Yes, you're right. We will talk about that later, okay?
Okay.
Come on, Lily. Let's get you checked so the pain can go away.
Don't worry, sweetheart. We'll fix it.
Excuse me, we'd like to see a dentist for my daughter. She has a toothache.
The doctor is with other patients. Please wait for a while.
Oh, all right. How long do we have to wait? My teeth hurt so much. Not long, sweetheart, just a little patience.
You'll feel better soon after the checkup.
Okay. Lily Turner? It's your turn now. Come on, Lily. Let's go.
Hello, Lily. It looks like someone ate a lot of sugar.
My tooth hurts so bad.
Don't worry. Come, sit here and I'll take a look. I see. There is a cavity in your tooth. Lily, what did you eat last night?
I ate chocolates and candies.
And did you brush your teeth after that?
No, I didn't.
That's why this happened. Too many sweets and not brushing your teeth can damage them. Don't worry, we'll treat it and the pain will go away. From now on, eat fewer sweets and always brush your teeth, especially at night.
Okay, I will.
All right, your teeth are clean now. Go home, get some rest, and take your medicine on time.
Thank you, doctor.
Lily, what is all this?
You ate a lot of sugary sweets and did not even brush your teeth.
Yes, I'm sorry. I thought nothing will happen.
From now on, no sweets for a whole month. Remember, too much of anything is bad for our health.
And after that, you will only eat sweets in moderation and always brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom, I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
Hello, everyone. Subscribe to the English Learning Companion channel for more English learning and educational videos.
And don't eat too many candies.
We'll try.
That's our girl.
Hee hee.